Hello students, welcome back to your daily dose of legal wisdom. So today in today's session we'll again unfold the secrets behind the powerful legal maxim. So today's legal maxim is actionable per se. So what do you mean by actionable per se? Have you come across before? So let's start with the legal maxim. So today's legal maxim is actionable per se. It comprises of two words, actionable and per se. What do you mean by actionable? Actionable means any act which is acted up, is capable of being acted upon, जिसको आप कोर्ट के अंदर ले जा सकते हो, right? Per se means by itself. तो कोई भी ऐसी एक्ट जो अपना आप में ही कोर्ट में जा सकती है, there is no requirement of a damage or a loss. There is nothing to prove if there is any damage or a loss. So an action or a word which is punishable by itself, no need to proof of harm is required. The act is enough to give rise to a legal claim. कहाँ ये वर्ड हमको ज़्यादातर सुनने को मिलता है, ये कहाँ ज़्यादातर यूज़ होता है? तो बेसिकली इट इज़ यूज्ड इन अ टॉर्ट लॉ, जहाँ हम एक्ट्स देखते हैं जहाँ हमें डैमेज की रिक्वायरमेंट नहीं होती, जहाँ हमें प्रूफ करना ज़रूरी नहीं होता कि देयर इज़ अ डैमेज और अ लॉस. वी कैन से दिस एक्ट इज इटसेल्फ इज पनिशेबल because it is actionable per se. What can be the examples? Examples are the defamation or a trespass. Defamation, when I have made a false statement against someone, my act is sufficient to cause me to take me to a court. There is no requirement of a damage or there is no requirement to prove any kind of a loss. My actions are actionable per se. I have defamed a person. This is sufficient to make me liable. Second example can be of a trespass. If I entered someone's property without permission, my actions are actionable per se. That means I have done legally wrong. There is no requirement to prove any kind of a damage or any kind of a loss. My actions are actionable per se, right? So I hope you got the meaning of actionable per se. Now this is a quiz time. You have to look at the question and answer the best possible answer in the comment box. So this is the question for you. So stay tuned for more legal updates and for more legal maxims. Thank you so much.